Hello, welcome to Game Dev Blog, my first ever one of Lunae. I've been working on this game for about 7 months. Just wanted to show you a quick showcase of the game and its features. UI setup, dynamic UI, I can switch items, have a currency system of dust. I have look IK for the eyes and head towards the camera, because the camera is actually a physical object, as you can see. The fairy in the background. I have an inventory system, character, weapons, armor, rings, consumable key items. I can equip items to the correct slots. I can block, basic straight sword animations, which I have a running animation, a backstep animation, a charged heavy, which combos into another charged heavy, and a plunge attack. I also have two-handing with different animations, charged heavy, roll attack, backstep attack, and then running attack, and of course, plunging attack. I also have dual-wielding, own animations, heavy charge combo, backstep attack, and rolling attack. Also running attack, and and plunging attack. And then what I set up 2 days ago, which was mirrored animations. So now you can have a left-handed moveset if you want. All duplicate animations. Same keybind, same everything. Same with plunging attack. I now know why games don't do that, because that was a real pain in the butt to set up. What else? You could drop items. So weapons are blue, rings are orange, and consumables are yellow. I have a full pickup system. Ring. Can't drop key items. I also have a collision on the camera because it is a physical object. I have footsteps, dynamic footsteps, which change based on what you're stepping on. Obviously, like switches, like Ocarina of Time. I have foot IK. Right, they do different stuff. Right, this is a toggle. This is a timed one. This is the wall switch with hand IK, which should change depending on. Oh, I climbed it. I just finished the climbing system yesterday, so it's not as perfect as I want. Like, I can't even activate the switch yet. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna have to, just found that out. I'm gonna have to put interactables above climbing. I didn't even think about that. That's annoying. But yes, I have hand IK depending on where you're standing, so use the left or right hand. As you saw, I do not have a jump, other than the auto jump from like Ocarina of Time. Climbing system on different heights. Go on Z targeting with no target, 8-point rolling direction. Target, lock on. The red circle is the enemy's health. The can see the second circle is their stagger. And if you attack an enemy, it deals health damage and stagger damage. Also blocking, right? Because this isn't a shield, there's no perfect block. You take chip damage just like you would in other games. I could heal. You can see the fairy reaches out her hand and heals. Let's add a shield. And I don't know if you can see the color change in the shield. That means they do stagger damage and they attack. That's the perfect block. I have the shield. I have the timing up higher to show you. It's basically like the perfect block, which does stagger damage to them. I also have enemy ragdoll and death. Drop an item and then give you dust. But other than that, the systems are all fully set up and where I'm happy where they're at, to where I just had to do changes, add some more systems, which they're integrated, but they're also separated. So it's really easy to add something and integrate it into another system now that I have the groundwork done. But hopefully you enjoyed. I'll be updating this probably every week